In this video, I'm going to talk about using sections within a problem set. So I have this problem set ready to go, and I have not entered anything into this yet. Sections are going to populate the list as if they were problems, and you can mix problems and sections. But let's just add in. Why would you want to use sections? Well, maybe what you're looking for is a problem set that actually moves through in a linear order, except within certain sections you want them to be random. So let's say we've got an intro section, and maybe we can go in there and put a video question that gives the student background information. And then maybe I want to have some basic practice. That's going to be very simple questions. And I want the students to do all of them, but maybe I want them to be randomized. And then maybe I'm going to have a true mastery section, so I'm going to put a skill builder into this. And then maybe I'm going to do a post test. And I want the post test to be complete all, linear order, but I'm going to change the tutoring available on that and make them all in test mode. So what would happen now is that a student who comes into this problem set, if there are problems, you can't test drive this yet, they would first move into the intro, because we're in linear order, and they would complete all of the questions inside the intro in the order they are in. Then they would move to the basic practice section, and they would complete those questions in a random order. Then they would have a skill builder section, and then they would finally have the post-test section. And we can see that as I've been typing them here, they've been populating in this sections tree. One thing I'll point out is that very often in our system, you should hit the refresh button. This section tree shouldn't just be a list, it should actually indent the children sections of a parent section. So that's why they just tab themselves in. And you can click here, or if you click on the edit, that takes you into the same thing where you can change the settings, add or manipulate questions, and you can even have subsections within. So let's say I wanted to change this and I wanted to add in a videos section, and then I wanted to add in directions or some other type, and we put that right there. And then if I refresh the page again, we can see that videos and directions are children sections to the intro section. And each one of these sections, you've got the same standard problem set or section set settings that you can manipulate. And you can decide, oh, I really wanted these directions to be random order, or no, just kidding, I wanted them to be linear order. And that is how you go through sections.